Hi. Yes, I'm looking for some help. I'm flying with my baby, well, my toddler, next month, and this child does not sleep. I need some help.
Hi, welcome to the SLOVSDMACL by TFA headquarters.
What?
You know, the SLOVSDMA by TFA. You know, the Sleepless, Overwhelmed, Distressed Mama Club by Travel Family Academy. Have you not heard of it?
Oh, I thought I was calling the doctor.
We are just a club created by traveling family moms for moms everywhere, where we help each other overcome distress when flying by providing the tools to tackle flying successfully with a baby or a toddler. We aren't doctors, but we do have some remedies that will guarantee that you have a great flight with your baby or even a toddler.
Yes, that is exactly what I need. I mean, I was thinking meds, but if you have a better solution, yes, I'll...
Don't you worry, you don't need any meds for your toddler, but, you know, maybe for you, but that's for another time.
Yes, if you can help me with that. I mean, I was willing to get prescription pills, but if you have something better, yes. Oh my God, yes, that is exactly what I need, yes.
Well, for now, I think it would be best if you just join our first ever workshop, the Ready to Sleep Baby. This workshop will be where we share everything that you need to know to get your toddler to sleep in every flight.
Okay, so what happens now?
I'm going to send you all the information now via email.
Okay, I'll check right now. Yes, I definitely want to attend.
All right, so you can sign up and I'll see you there.
Thank you so much.